Before you move to Ottawa, you need to hear this, because where you live in this city could make or break your experience. And trust me, I've seen way too many people pick the wrong neighborhood only to regret it later. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the best places to live in Ottawa based on your lifestyle, budget, and needs, so you don't waste time searching, or worse, end up somewhere that doesn't feel like home. Whether you're moving for work, family, school, or a fresh start, I'll walk you through the top neighborhoods, what they're known for, and what you need to watch out for. Alright, before we jump into specific areas, let's talk about how to decide where to live in Ottawa. Ask yourself these 3 key questions. What's your budget? Prices can vary a lot between neighborhoods. A $600,000 house in the suburbs might cost double downtown. What's your lifestyle? Love the nightlife? Need a quiet family area? Want to be near work or nature? Do you need schools, transit, or walkability? Ottawa has great commuter-friendly areas, but some are better for drivers than transit users. Now let's get into the best areas to live based on different lifestyles. Best for young professionals in nightlife would most definitely be the downtown core, which includes Centertown, the Byward Market, and Westboro. Pros: walkable, tons of bars, restaurants, and events, close to government and tech jobs. Cons: expensive, limited parking, high rent. Best for families: Canada, Orleans, Barhaven. Pros: larger homes, safe, great schools, family-friendly parks. Cons: commuting downtown can be rough in rush hour. Best for first-time homebuyers: Riverside South, Findlay Creek, and Stittsville. Pros: newer homes, growing communities, still affordable. Cons: fewer transit options. Car is a must. Best for students: definitely Sandy Hill, Glebe, Hintonburg. Pros: near universities, Ottawa U, Carleton. Trendy shops, younger crowd. Cons: can be pricey and noisy. Got a neighborhood in mind? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Before you pick a place, let's talk mistakes. I've seen people move here and regret it fast because they didn't think about these. Not checking commute times. A 20-minute drive can become an hour in Ottawa traffic. Another would be ignoring transit access. If you don't drive, make sure your area has good bus or LRT service. And finally, another mistake would be skipping neighborhood research. Visit the area at night and on weekends to see if it still feels right. Alright, now you've got the inside scoop on where to live in Ottawa. But if you're still unsure, let's chat. I can help you find the perfect spot based on your needs. Drop a comment with your questions or DM me for one-on-one advice. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Ottawa real estate tips. I'll see you in the next one.